Marble Restoration Wimbledon by Fabritech Tile Care. Have you noticed that your beautiful marble floors have lost their shine and luster over time? It's so frustrating, isn't it? Not only does it make your space look dull and uninviting, but it also affects the overall ambience and impression of your home or office. Pro tip: to maintain the beauty of your marble floors, we recommend regular cleaning using a pH-neutral marble cleaner. This will help extend the lifespan of your floors and keep them looking beautiful for years to come. Every day, your elegant marble surfaces lose their shine and brilliance, plagued by stains, dirt, and improper cleaning methods. The use of acidic cleaners, abrasive materials, and lack of professional care can lead to irreversible damage. Imagine having guests over and feeling embarrassed about the condition of your marble floors. Plus, dull and worn-out floors can also lower the value of your property. You deserve to have a space that looks stunning and reflects your style, don't you? Our highly trained technicians based just a few miles away at New Malden use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to carefully remove the damaged top layer of your marble floors. This process not only removes scratches, stains, and etch marks but also reveals the hidden beauty and natural shine of your marble. You won't believe the transformation. Imagine the impact it will have on visitors or clients when they see your stunning marble floors. Don't let your dull and worn-out marble floors bring down the beauty of your space. Contact Fabritech Floor Care today on 01784 775 813 or visit our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk to arrange a free of charge quotation. Transform your marble floors and experience the difference.